Welcome to Mini Models, or welcome back if you're already subscribed. Welcome back to me. I haven't been around in quite a while. I've been busy with my other channels and other stuff. Today what I have is the Hot Wheels Collector Club Steampunk truck, which I didn't get through the Collectors Club because I let that lapse. So I got that from the Bay. This is the kind of thing that I want to see open, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take a closer look at this thing out of the package. As you can see here, it's 3,807 out of 6,000, so there's only 6,000 of these made. I love the art. The art is great, so I might have to be a little more careful about opening this package. I might open it off camera with an X-Acto knife, I think. I've realized a couple of times that I've destroyed packages that I wished I'd kept. So this one I need to figure out exactly what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll cut the back. Yeah, if I cut this back window, let's do that. Start here and just kind of scribe, see what happens. I would make an awesome video if I cut my finger off with an 11 blade, but I made my flap. Let's see. I did! And what's inside is a protective thing that's not going to come out through that flap. Oh boy. Okay, I think the plastic is actually the same shape and size as this. From looking at it, it looks like there's 2 layers of plastic here. So it's not going to come out the back, so I'm going to try to do an around the perimeter cut now. So much for... At least I'll save the art doing this. Don't do this at home, kids. Okay. Lift that sucker up. I was right. The backing is huge. That wasn't going to come out. Check that out. I love the detail on this thing. Man, let's see if I can get it to focus close up on this. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's nice. Does this raise? Yes, it does. Does this swing? Yes, it does. That swings, that raises, that goes in and out. Gonna have to be in to fit in my display case. Real Rider wheels, really thin Real Rider wheels. And it's like a plastic base. Nope, metal. Really shiny metal. Redline Club Heavy Transport. I'm not sure about the overhead camera yet. We'll have to see. Pretty detailed even underneath there. Pipes are hollow. See that? That's sharp. Anyway, hope you enjoyed just taking a look at this little truck with me, and I'll catch you next time. If you're new here, click subscribe, and it might inspire me to make videos more often. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.